Imagine being able to see your website through the eyes of an AI, to watch how it interprets your words, connects your ideas, and decides what you truly stand for. That's what Ask does. It's not just a search assistant. It's a window into the mind of the machine. Powered by the same algorithms as ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI mode, Ask reveals how these systems understand your content and where that understanding begins to fade. It transforms your site from a collection of pages into a living, measurable conversation between your brand and the algorithms shaping modern search. Ask turns that vision into action. It connects directly to your live Market Brew model, the same engine that mirrors how modern search algorithms evaluate meaning. When you type a question, Ask searches your own content the same way ChatGPT or Google's AI mode would, using embeddings that understand concepts, not just keywords. The result isn't a guess or a list of links. It's a precise, transparent answer drawn straight from your site's pages, showing why that information surfaced and how the AI understood it. Ask transforms your website into a measurable knowledge system, one that speaks the same language as the algorithms shaping search. Ask's goal isn't to chat, it's to diagnose. Every response acts as an X-ray of your content, showing how AI connects ideas, detects gaps, and measures semantic alignment. You see exactly what the model understands and what it ignores. Under the hood, Ask reads your website the same way modern AI search engines do, not by scanning keywords, but by comparing meanings. When someone asks a question, Ask breaks your pages into small passages and maps each one into a semantic space, a kind of 3D landscape of ideas. The system then finds the passages that live closest to the question inside that landscape. That's how Ask knows what part of your site actually answers the intent behind the words. But Ask goes further. It also understands the overall center of gravity of every page, the main topic your content keeps circling around. When a question sits too far from that center, Ask flags a content gap, showing you where your site drifts off topic or leaves meaning uncovered. This is the same type of reasoning large language model search engines use when deciding which pages deserve to be cited in AI results. Once Ask maps a question into your site's meaning space, it measures how closely each page relates to that question. The result is the page fit metric, a clear signal of how well the intent behind the question aligns with what the page is truly about. A high page fit score means your content directly addresses that intent. A low score reveals a content gap, a topic your audience is asking about, but your pages don't fully cover. Ask visualizes these matches so you can see, at a glance, which pages resonate with the question and which ones fall outside the core meaning. It's not guesswork, it's a measurable picture of how your site speaks the language of your users. When Ask finds a gap, it quantifies it. Each query produces a similarity score and a content gap signal, showing how well your page aligns with the user's intent. You control when those signals become actionable. By setting a gap threshold, Ask automatically promotes any question that falls below your target alignment into the Visibility Launchpad, where you can evaluate its potential and decide how to respond. From there, you can launch a content booster to close the gap, generating optimized content designed to strengthen your site's alignment around that intent. Every question you measure feeds your visibility strategy, turning meaning into motion. Every question in Ask becomes the start of a feedback loop. When visitors ask something new, Ask measures how well your content satisfies that intent and flags any gaps in meaning. Those gap signals flow directly into the Visibility Launchpad, where you can track emerging opportunities, compare them to your existing pages, and decide which deserve attention first. From there, you can launch a content booster to create or update material that fills the gap, bringing your content back into alignment with real search intent. Once published, Ask immediately retests the new content in the same embedding space, closing the loop. Over time, this continuous cycle strengthens your entire site, detecting weaknesses, fixing them, and validating the improvement. It's how your website learns to evolve on its own, one question at a time. You can launch Ask anytime from your Mission Control screen. From any modeled website, open the Signals menu, then select Ask. In seconds, you're inside your site's AI knowledge assistant, a live simulation of how ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI mode interpret your content. Every question you explore here creates measurable intent data, feeding directly into the Visibility Launchpad. It's where your insights begin, turning live search behavior into structured visibility signals your team can act on. In the LLM era, visibility means being understood by the algorithm. Ask makes that understanding visible. Every question becomes a measurement of meaning, every gap an opportunity to realign. See your site the way LLMs see it. Expose the blind spots, measure the gaps, strengthen the signal. Ask, the AI knowledge assistant. Expose, measure, improve.